we'll guide you through how to make 3D cube in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Alight Motion app on your device. Once the app has loaded, press Create New Project in the middle of the screen. Set your project settings according to your needs. After selecting your preferred settings, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Next, press the plus button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the available options, import the footage or image that you want to turn into a 3D cube. After selecting your file, wait for it to be added to the timeline. Once the footage has been imported, select the layer that you just added. With the layer selected, go to the Effects section and press Add Presets to open the Effect browser. Inside the Effect browser, use the search function and search for Cube Effect. When the effect appears in the results, apply it to your footage layer. After adding the cube effect, open its settings to begin customizing the appearance of the cube. Start by adjusting the width value. Increasing or decreasing the width will change the overall shape of the cube effect. Next, go to the height setting and adjust it according to your preference. You can then open the depth option and increase the depth value to make the cube appear more three-dimensional. After adjusting the size and depth, go to the light source settings. This section allows you to change the lighting and shading of the cube. If you want to animate the cube, open the rotation section. Turn on the rotation keyframe to begin creating an animation. Set the first keyframe to your preferred starting rotation value. Then move forward a few frames on the timeline and create a second keyframe. Adjust the second rotation value according to the movement you want for the cube. Once the keyframes have been added, open the curve section and apply a curve to the animation. Adjust the curve according to your preference to make the movement smoother and more natural. You have successfully made 3D cube in Alight Motion.